and I am a level 2 student and a co-facilitator at Rehan AI Teachers Institute. I am deeply passionate about education, learning with purpose, and helping others grow through meaningful conversation. Today, I am here to share a soft and gentle review on a TED Talk by Rita Pearson. So, before going to review the TED Talk, I firstly want to introduce you with the speaker, the lady Rita Pearson. Okay. Rita Pearson is a lady who talked in this TED Talk, and we are today reflecting her inspiring words. She was a remarkable educator with more than 40 years of teaching experience. She was known for her warm presence, her humor, and her deep belief that every child deserves someone who believes in them. The title of this TED Talk is also Every Child Needs a Champion. So Rita Pearson dedicated her life to teaching with heart. She reminded us that learning grows when there is trust, kindness, and genuine connection. In her message, she gently invites us to look beyond textbooks and classrooms and to see the human being in front of us, the child who needs encouragement, respect, and hope. Her famous TED Talk, Every Kid Needs a Champion, continues to touch millions because it speaks to a universal truth, that is, children learn best when they feel valued, understood, and supported. So, today's reflection is inspired by her wisdom, her compassion, and her powerful reminder that as educators, mentors, and parents, our relationship with our child can truly change their future. She was saying that when she started her TED talk, she tell us that she is teaching from 40 years in the classroom, and she emphasized the idea that children will not learn from someone they don't like or trust. The personal connection between teacher and student is vital. She asserts that every child deserves a champion, an adult, a teacher, a mentor, a parent who believes in them, never gives up on them, and connects with them on a human level. Through stories and humor, she illustrates how respect, relationships, encouragement, and high expectations help children take risks, learn, and grow. She challenges teachers and adults in a child's life to go beyond content delivery and to build meaningful relationships because learning isn't just about curriculum but about trust, empathy, and love. So, what I learned from this is the following points which I noted. Number one is value the relationship. If you are an educator, a teacher, so you should build trust and personal connection with students as it is very important as planning lessons. Second is believe in your students, holding the mindset that every child can learn and deserve your dedication sets a strong foundation for teaching. Third point is encourage risk taking. When students feel supported and safe, they are more willing to try, to ask questions, and learn from the mistakes. Fourth is be a champion. Think of your role not just as instructor, but as someone who champions the learner, motivating, guiding, and believing. Then reflect on your practice. Ask yourself, do my students feel I see them? Do they feel I care? How can I demonstrate that more clearly? And in the last, apply to family and community. Although aimed at teachers, but this message, the message of TED Talk, aims or applies to parenting, to mentorship, your own children, and your work at the consultancy. So, connecting with people meaningfully matters everywhere. At the end, I will conclude by saying ending lines that are: as I close this reflection, I am reminded that every learner who meet carries a story, a hope, and a quiet need for encouragement. Rita Pearson's message invites us to slow down, to connect, and to become the kind of educator who believes in every child's potential. I hope this gentle review inspires you to build deeper relationships, to teach with empathy, and to be a positive force in someone's learning journey. Thank you for watching, and may we all continue to grow with kindness and purpose. If you like my video and my content, then please like my video, give your comment on the comment box, and also share this video with your friends, your family, and your students. Thank you very much. I will come again with another TED Talk with another new review. Till then, take care yourself, and bye bye. Allah Hafiz.